Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience using Vodafone Australia's internet plans. Vodafone Australia offers a range of internet options tailored to individual needs, accessible through their website, vodafone.com.au/personal/internet. Whether you're seeking a simple broadband connection for casual browsing or a robust package for streaming and gaming, their diverse plans aim to cater to various usage patterns and budgets. Navigating their website, you'll find detailed information on each plan, outlining data allowances, speed tiers, and associated costs. Understanding these specifics is crucial for selecting the optimal plan that aligns with your individual requirements and avoids unexpected overage charges. Their site emphasizes the importance of choosing the right plan based on factors like the number of connected devices in your household and the types of online activities you frequently engage in. For instance, households with multiple users simultaneously streaming high-definition video will likely require a higher data allowance and faster speed compared to a single user primarily browsing web pages and checking emails. Vodafone Australia strives to provide transparent information, empowering customers to make informed decisions about their internet service. Furthermore, the website often highlights current promotional offers and bundles, potentially offering significant savings on internet services when combined with other Vodafone products. It's worth exploring these deals to see if you can maximize your value. Customer support information is readily available on the website as well, providing various avenues for assistance, including online chat, phone support, and frequently asked questions. This support network ensures that customers can readily access help if they encounter any technical issues or have questions regarding their service. Remember to carefully review all terms and conditions before subscribing to any plan to ensure a clear understanding of the agreement. This careful consideration will help you avoid any surprises and enjoy a smooth online experience with Vodafone Australia.